Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for time blocking, your key to increased productivity and focus in 2025. The first step is setting up your Notion workspace. It's as easy as clicking on Add a Page, then selecting Table. Name this table something like Daily Planner. This is where you'll be organizing your tasks and activities. Setting up a dedicated workspace keeps all your time-blocked tasks in one place, promoting better organization. Next up, you're going to create your daily blocks. Click New on your table to add entries, each representing a block of time. You might have blocks for sleep, work, exercise, meals, and leisure. The reason we do this is to map out our day with structure, allocating time to each aspect of our lives. Now, within each block, you'll add specific tasks. Click on the block, add a new page, and list your tasks there. This helps us because it breaks down our blocks into actionable tasks, ensuring we know exactly what to do during each block. Here's an important part. Use Notion's Properties feature to add start and end times to your blocks. This isn't just about listing tasks, it's about deciding when they'll be done. Being clear on when each task starts and ends helps maintain focus and prevents us from overrunning our allocated time. Now that we've done that, it's time to make use of Notion's Template button feature. This allows you to create templates for recurring blocks, like morning routine, saving you the hassle of typing out the same tasks every day. This is crucial in saving time and maintaining consistency in your routine. Let me explain why this matters. Time blocking isn't just about filling your day with tasks. It's about ensuring that each task has its place, preventing you from feeling overwhelmed. With Notion, we're not just planning our time, we're optimizing it. And there you have it. That's how you use Notion for time blocking. With this handy tool, you're all set to take control of your time and productivity. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep using Notion to time block, and you'll see the benefits in no time. Until our next tutorial, keep being productive.